Hello friends, welcome back. In the last video, I gave you a brief introduction on why we use JavaScript to use our web application. We add JavaScript in our HTML code to make some interactivity. So there is no special requirement for the editor of JavaScript. We can write JavaScript on the same editor in which we write our HTML and CSS codes. I strongly recommend Notepad++ in all my video courses. So here I will again recommend you to use Notepad++. Now let's open a new file in Notepad++. So before we start, let's write a basic template of HTML so that we can write our JavaScript in that. So I will write HTML, then head, then title. Okay, then in title I will write JavaScript course, and then I will close the title tag, then head tag, and after that my body tag, then the closing of body tag, and then closing of HTML tag. Okay, and in languages I will choose the HTML, and then I will apply some indentations. So here it is. Okay, now I will save this file as my template. Okay, so this is how I write a basic template, and just okay, in this template I will write all my scripts in future videos. Now we have to write our JavaScript in this code, so we use a script tag to write all the JavaScripts, and JavaScript tag can be written anywhere in your code. You can write it in the head section here, or you can write it in the body section. That's totally depend upon you. Now there are two ways to write JavaScript. One is internally and the other is externally. I think you guessed it right by their names. Yes, they are same as we do in CSS, internally and externally. So in the internally method, we use script tag, and then I will close the script tag, and in between of these two tags we use to write our all JavaScripts. Another method, that is external method. In that we write JavaScript in an external file. We save that file with an extension of .js, and then we link that file to our HTML document. So to link an external file, we used to write here like script, then script, and after that I will write src, and after src I will define its path. So here I will write file name .js. JS is the extension of JavaScript file, and then I will write type equals to text / JavaScript. Okay, and then a greater than sign. So this is how you are defining a external JavaScript file, and you're done. We will be using both the methods to write our JavaScript in this course. Now if you write our JavaScript in head part, then browser will read it first and then your page loads. We will learn about this too. Now in our first class of JavaScript, we will write our very first basic script. So let's start. I just delete this file because I am writing internally. So I will write script, then type equals to text, then / JavaScript, and then a greater than sign. Okay, now it is not compulsory that you write this type equals to text / for JavaScript. If you don't write this, then also your code works, but for a standard writing it is good that you define this attribute also. Okay, now in between of these two script tags we will write our JavaScript. So I will write here document dot, then write, and then brackets, and then a semicolon. So now whenever we want to display anything on our document, we used to write document.write function. Now in between of these brackets we can write whatever text we want to display on the page. So I will write here, this is my JavaScript. Okay, so this is how we used to display something on the screen in JavaScript. Now let's save this file, and I will open this file with my web browser. Okay. Yeah, here you can see we have written this is my JavaScript. Now one thing that I want to tell you that JavaScript is a case sensitive language, so you have to worry about the case in which you are writing. For example, if you are writing like var, which stands for variable a equals to 10, and then if you are writing var a capital A equals to 20, then these two variables are two different variables in JavaScript. So please keep in mind that JavaScript is a case sensitive language. Thanks for watching.